Open Adobe InDesign and create a new document. Make sure you're set for your design needs. Import your image by clicking File and then Place. Select the photo you want to blur. Position the image on your canvas. Resize it for the perfect fit. Now, select the image and open the Effects panel from the Window menu. In the Effects panel, find Opacity and adjust the slider to create your desired blur effect. Apply the changes and watch your image transform into a stylish blur that enhances your design. To finalize, preview your document to see how the blur impacts your overall design. Adjust any other elements as needed for a cohesive feel in your project. Save your work by clicking File and then Save as to ensure your design is secure. Congratulations! You successfully blurred an image in InDesign, making your design stand out. Like and share this video for more quick tips on Adobe InDesign. Explore more techniques to elevate your design skills. See you next time.